The rediscovery of the rare Khazam tree in the Baha region of southwestern Saudi Arabia marks a moment of both botanical wonder and cultural renewal. Growing in the lofty Sarawat mountain range, which stretches gracefully from Yemen through the western Hijaz, brushing past the ancient city of Medina and reaching into the storied Radwa Mountains. The Khazam tree is not merely a plant species returning to public awareness. It is a living relic of the Arabian Peninsula's environmental, medicinal, and artistic heritage, offering an opportunity to reconnect with ancient traditions that once thrived in harmony with the region's landscapes. For centuries, the Khazam tree was revered for both its physical beauty and its remarkable utility. Towering nearly 3 meters high, with a strong trunk and a canopy of branching limbs, it cuts a distinct figure amid the rugged terrain of the Sarawat. But beyond its striking appearance, the Khazam's unique red sap is what made it indispensable to ancient civilizations. This resinous sap, which hardens into a brown gum over time, served an astonishing range of purposes, both practical and ceremonial. It was used to sterilize wounds, stop bleeding, treat gingivitis, and enhance oral hygiene. Long before the advent of modern medicine, it provided a plant-based pharmacopoeia that met the needs of traditional healers and rural communities. More than just a natural remedy, the Khazam tree also had a vital place in art and early written communication. Its resin was used as ink or pigment, enabling ancient artists and scribes to etch symbols and stories onto rock faces. Some of these drawings are estimated to date back nearly 4,000 years BC, underscoring the deep-rooted relationship between the tree and the development of cultural expression in the Arabian Peninsula. This makes the tree not only a botanical treasure, but also a symbol of early human creativity in the region. In many ways, it served as both medicine and medium, healer and historian. The rediscovery of this tree also revives interest in its role in material culture. Traditionally, its trunk was used in the crafting of beehives, a practice that reflects both the resourcefulness and ecological sensitivity of local communities. In using the Khazam wood, artisans not only built functional structures for honey production, but also maintained a careful balance with nature. Unfortunately, this same practice, along with natural stressors such as dry seasons and bark stripping by wild apes, contributed to the tree's dwindling numbers over time. Yet with its recent resurgence, there lies the possibility of reviving those sustainable traditions in ways that do not threaten the tree's survival. Its sap continues to show promise in a broad range of applications, extending even into modern industries. Besides traditional medicine, it is now being re-examined for its use in pharmaceuticals, inks, dyes, paints, varnishes, and adhesives. This versatility suggests untapped potential for sustainable economic development, particularly in rural or underserved areas where local knowledge of the tree's properties can be paired with scientific research and responsible commercialization. Already, experts like botanist Ahmed Kashash are helping to illuminate the full extent of the tree's benefits, encouraging not just conservation, but integration into innovative bio-based industries. The tree's resilience and rediscovery at this moment in history carry symbolic meaning as well. In a time when biodiversity is under threat globally, the return of the Khazam tree is a quiet but powerful reminder of nature's capacity for renewal when given the space and respect to thrive. Its revival can serve as a case study in how traditional ecological knowledge, when preserved and combined with modern conservation science, can result in the protection of both species and heritage. It may also inspire renewed interest in other underdocumented flora of the Arabian Peninsula, which has long been overlooked in global biodiversity efforts. In rediscovering the Khazam tree, Saudi Arabia has not only unearthed a botanical rarity, but reawakened a legacy of wisdom, art, and healing that had faded into memory. Its presence in the mountains again is more than a triumph of conservation. It is an invitation to explore the profound interconnections between plants, people, and place. The next step is to ensure that this tree, once nearly forgotten, is protected, celebrated, and allowed to flourish for future generations, who may yet find new uses and meanings in its ancient form.